Hey, this is Colin with Texans Can Cars for Kids. Have you ever wondered how you can bid online live? Well, I want to show you just exactly how. So before we do, just want to let you know that all the rules stay the same for online bidding, just like if you were in person. So you still have to bring in your government issued ID. It can be a Texas identification card, a Texas driver's license, a U.S. passport, a driver's license or ID from another state, or a out-of-country passport as well. So make sure you bring those in with you on Monday before you come and pay for your vehicles that you win online on Saturday. You have until 4 o'clock to come in and pay for those vehicles. So, and then the $200 deposit still stands as well. So whenever you go in, and I'll show you exactly how to do that, you put down your $200 deposit via credit card or debit card. We accept Visa, MasterCard, or Discover. And then if you do win a bid, it goes towards your purchase of a vehicle. If you don't win a bid, then you get that money refunded at the end of the day. And it usually takes your bank about 3 to 5 days for it to fall off your card. So make sure that you are using a credit card that's in your name. If you do not use a card that's in your name, make sure you bring the person with you to our office on Monday whose name it's under. So just keep that in mind. And like I said, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to bid online. So we'll do a step-by-step process and we'll get started. So we will jump right into going to our website. So it's carsforkids.org. So you'll go there. You'll go to the auction program tab. That's where all of our vehicles will be listed for the online sale as well. So if this is your first time bidding, if this is your first time ever bidding online, you'll do it like so. You'll click the link to register for your first time user, and then you'll just fill out the blanks. So I'm going to put my name here, first and last name. You're going to put an email address, and I will use our distribution list so that way you'll have this information as well. So if you have any other questions about how this works, you can either call the phone number that I typed in here or send an email to the email address. So I'm going to label my username Colin Test. That way I can do that. And then you'll create a password and confirm it. And then this right here will tell you if you want to be alerted when the final list is ready. So the final list is usually sent out on Thursday or Friday. It'll have all the vehicles that are listed. It'll include a link as well. So that's emailed to you directly and automatically. So if you want to be alerted, feel free to check one of those boxes. And then the next step would be by checking this box, I assert that I've read and agree with the following Texans Can Cars for Kids policy. So there are a couple bullet points and there's a link to our auction rules. I highly suggest that you click that link and go over all of our auction rules and policies. That way you're up to date before you get ready to bid. So after you've done that, you click this register button and it'll upload or it'll load that information for you. Look at that. You have to agree to the policies. So you have to check this box. You have to check this box in order to continue. So check that box, click register, and then you're on to the next part. The first link that you see once you get in, it says, want to participate in the live auction, click here to pay your initial $200 full refundable deposit. So you'll click that link. It'll automatically generate your name because it's a part of your profile. You will just put your billing address here. This is our address. A lot here. So make sure whenever you're doing this, you put in the correct billing address for your credit card that you'd be using. And then you'll click continue. It'll ask you to confirm that you're going to go make your $200 deposit. So there's a few questions that it asks, and make sure you know what you're getting into. You know that every vehicle is sold as is, where is, no warranty or guarantee. So once you've read that, you click secure payment and it'll open up a new window. It'll ask you if the billing information is accurate, and then you're about to be transferred to our secure payment site. So it automatically takes you there. In here, you will put in your card number, your expiration date, and then the CVV, which is the last three on the back of the card, and then you'll click the button process payment. So once again, if you do not win a bid, that $200 $200 deposit will be refunded to you at the end of the auction, and usually takes your bank about 3 to 5 business days for it to come back on your card. Now, if you do win a bid, one of our representatives will call you after the auction, let you know that we did capture your authorization for the $200 deposit, and also give you a total balance remaining for the vehicles that you purchased with us on Saturday. Okay, so once your payment has been completed, you will see the screen that I'm on right now. Thank you, your $200 deposit has been processed and approved. You may bid now, and that online payment has already been processed. So you can see welcome, and it'll say your name here. So where you'll go from here is to the bidding info tab right here. Click that. You'll scroll down and you'll go to online bidding. Once it does that, you'll be redirected to this page right here. Please acknowledge that you have read and understand and agree to the conditions below. To enter the site, you have to click I accept. So basically, our general auction rules, which you've already looked at. So once you click accept, you'll be redirected to here. So you have a few options here. You have view auction in progress, view available vehicles, vehicles that I've purchased, and the vehicles I've sold you don't have to worry about. But you would want to click the view auction in progress. You'll be redirected to a page like this, and it'll ask you to select an event. So what you'll do is you'll click the drop down, and the event that's listed here is usually dated the same day that you're watching. But for this example, I'm using a test online simulcast event. So you'll click this event. There's usually only one event listed at one time, and there will usually be a countdown, and you will see some of the upcoming items. So it'll show you all the vehicles that we have going in that sale. Down here on the bottom, you can also scroll between the run list, your bids, you can create a watch list, and so on and so forth. So in order to watch the live auction, you will want to install this Flash player and restart the browser. That's where you can actually watch live. So you'll click this button, disabled tab will pop up. You will want to click this link right here and allow your computer to run the Flash player. The window will reload, and you will see a live frame by frame picture of our actual auction bay. So once a vehicle comes up and you hear the auctioneer asking for bids, there will also be an amount listed here for asked for, or what the current bid is. So once you feel comfortable and know that you want to bid, you'll click this bid button, and you could be the proud owner of a brand new vehicle.